Hello, Unique Divas. It's your girl Unique Nelo. It's good to have you back here once again. Alright, for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to get this Zara cap. Without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, I'll be using a raw silk fabric, 1 yard of raw silk fabric for this project, and I've already done this Zara cap. To learn how to get this Zara base, it's already on my channel. I'll put the link on the description box if you want to learn how to make this elastic Zara cap base. Alright, for this part, if you watch closely, you notice that the length part is stretchy, okay? And I cut out 2 pieces. So the length is 26 inches length by 7 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces of this fabric. It will be used for that knotted, or will I call it that fluffy round design in front of the Zara cap. Alright, this is the foam that was inserted inside the fabric, and the length of this foam is 25 inches by 3 inches width. Please, this is 1 inch foam, 1 inch foam, 25 inches length by 3 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. Please guys, this tutorial will be brief, it will not be too lengthy. Yes, and it's very easy. So I made it to be beginners friendly so that those that are still new in making headgear, they'll be able to catch up, okay? Alright, so you can see the way I folded in this foam. I didn't tag the foam, I didn't sew it, I just folded it in this way, and I adjusted my fabric. Remember, the length part of this fabric is the stretchy part. So as you insert this foam, try to tighten your hand and take it to your sewing machine. You can see what I'm doing. This part that I'm drawing down, when you take it to your sewing machine, sew down this way. See what I just did, you can see it. So make sure as you fold your foam inside, you tighten your hand and sew it. So after sewing it, you will see that the foam come out, it will puff out very well. So place the 2 foam fabric on top of each other and sew very close. In fact, sew it on top of the line. Sew it on top of that line. Tighten your hand while doing so, okay? Then after sewing that, I used my scissors to cut out the excess part. Just give an allowance. I noticed something. When I finished sewing, I noticed that this part was open, but here it's not open again. Why? I used my hand needle to do a running stitch. Watch closely and you see what I did, okay? I did a running stitch, normal gathers. You understand? I did a running stitch so that front part that was showing, it was showing my stitch when I used my sewing machine. So I did a running stitch with my needle and thread, and it closed up very well. So I decided to show you guys. Alright, so next thing I'll be doing is to attach it to the Zara cap, and I'll be using pin. You know I love pinning down. So if you're a beginner, don't fail to do this so you won't get your design dancing up and down. Alright, so I'll be placing it on top of the Zara cap before tacking it down. With the help of the pin, you just hold it here, okay? So after doing that, next thing I'll be doing now is to tack these edges. I will sew here, sew this point, sew here again. I'm doing the tacking so it will hold the Zara Cap base. Some people do gum, but I prefer sewing. You understand? Please, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. I'm Unique Nelo. I'm a headgear specialist here. So I teach people how to make headgears on my channel. Please don't hesitate to join us by subscribing to my channel. I also have a WhatsApp group where we learn different designs of headgear. So the link is on the description box. And for my returning subscribers, you know I love you all. Alright, for this fabric, it measures 9 inches length by 6 inches width, okay? 9 inches length by 6 inches width. The width part is the stretchy part. This part now is this width part. It is stretchy, it is the 6 inches width. So you fold from that 6 inches part. Please, I cut out 6 pieces, 6 pieces, 6 pieces. Alright, so sorry, I've already inserted 3 inches crinoline here. I forgot to show you guys. So if you know crinoline, it has different sizes. So I used 3 inches crinoline. That's why the width of my fabric is 6 inches. So if you fold it, you will get 3 inches, okay? So I inserted the crinoline and I hemmed the mouth with lighter this way. Understand me? So why I'm showing this on camera is to see how I hem the mouth. Then after doing that, be forming your gathers like this. Just form that half bow design this way, okay? So this is something I'll be doing to the other bow designs. Just form your bow design this way. It's quite easy. So I'll be attaching others this way, and I will form my knot and cut it out. So whatever I'll be doing to this one, I'll be doing it to the other one. So I set that thing aside. All right, so there is a design at the back which I also attached, and the length of this fabric is 18 inches by 12 inches width. 18 inches by 12 inches width. Okay, so the length part is the 18 inches part. Then unfold this way. You'll be folding the length part. Okay, when you fold the length part, it means I'll be stitching this side down. You understand me? So watch where here, you tack here, okay, and tack here. So after sewing with my sewing machine, this is the outcome. Okay, so I had to turn it out. Don't forget to cut out the excess part. Okay, and after cutting it out, you turn it out. If you have your iron, you can iron it out, but I didn't iron. It still gave me my design after inserting what I made it to, what I inserted inside it. So next thing I did was to measure this out, so I'll be able to know the measurement of the foam I'll put there. Okay, so remember, this is the length part, and sorry, this is the width part. Okay, and this is the length part. You can remember, this is where I folded, so this is my length part, and the length part is 9 inches on fold. After sewing, I now got my length part as 9 inches, and the other side being the width part is now 11 inches. So I have length 8 inches and width 11 inches. So what I'm taking note of this measurement is to know what to cut in my foam. Okay, because I inserted foam inside there for the back design. All right, so for this foam, this is half-inch foam. Half-inch foam. Remember, with the help of that measurement I got on that fabric, that was how I cut out my foam. See, this is the length part and this is the width part. You understand what I mean? So the foam now measures 8 inches length by 11 inches width. Hope you got this correctly. All right, so I'll be inserting the foam inside the fabric, and once I'm finished doing that, I'll be stitching it down from this end. Yeah, guys, if you find this video helpful, I beg you, support your girl by liking this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you have not joined this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, you know you guys are the MVP. I love you all. Alright, so you can see the one folding, and after folding it in, you sew it down, and this is the final look. So I'll be forming the fluffy bow design there, and this is the way I'll be doing the fluffy bow design. Please guys, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask on the comment section. Yeah, and remember I said I'll be attaching the link to our WhatsApp group. Okay, the link to our WhatsApp group, I'll be adding it up on my description box. If you find it difficult to connect with us, shout up this number on your screen and I'll send the link to you so you join our WhatsApp group. Okay, all right guys, so I'm done with forming the designs, the bow and the half bow. So this is the way I'll be attaching this first half bow. It's not a must you pieces yours. In fact, I later said, I wish I even joined it together without pieces in it. So you can just form it together this way and tack it this way with your needle and thread. I'm done tacking mine. You can see the way it looks. So next thing I'll be doing now is to attach this bow, this particular fluffy bow. Okay, guys, I always say this, it's all about creativity. It's not a must you do what I just did. But someone saw this picture where I posted it and she said, that she likes it, can I share the tutorial? And I decided to do so. So you can do anything you want with yours. It's all about creativity. Okay, so for this part again, I also regret doing a pieces work here. I would have joined everything. I said, why did I even pieces it? So why doing yours? Don't need to pieces. What you just do is, after cutting your fabric, insert your crinoline, just attach the three of them together this way. You don't need to do it pieces. Okay, just attach it, three of them, then you are good to go. Then you place it at the back of the design. Okay, and don't forget to tie it. If you tie it, it will make it to stay very tight. It won't move up and down. All right, so I'll be attaching it to the back this way, same way I did the other one, but I'll be using my long needle to hold it down. I love working with my pins and needle. Yes, it helps to hold down the design of your fabric. Yes, so it won't waste your time while tacking. You won't be fighting with it. So you can see the way I did it. So I'll be tacking with my needle and thread and after that you get any embellishment. Please don't use this off color. I just had to show you the kind of embellishment I used. At this time I don't have any pink rose, so I just used this kind of thing. I later got a bigger version of this rose, a bigger rose, and I attached it at the back of mine, and you can see how it looks. You can later use your embellishments, your chain designs, and finish up your work. And this is the outcome of mine. So guys, hope you love this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and it's good to have you to this time. Love you all. Bye.